To move the contents of a range, follow the steps shown on the screen. Let's try these steps by moving the contents of the range B1 through C3 to a range that starts in cell C5. I first select the range B1 through C3. Second, I position the mouse cursor on the border of the selected range. As you can see, the cursor of the mouse changes to 4 black arrows. Third, I press the left button of the mouse and keep it pressed while moving the mouse cursor to cell C5. You can see that wherever I move the mouse, the position of the range gets highlighted along with the new identification of the range that shows the first and the last cell of the range. I stop once the upper left corner of the range is cell C5. Finally, I release the left button of the mouse and the range contents get moved to the selected new location.